Our jobs can be definitely mentally, physically, and emotionally taxing on us. We have to be smarter sometimes about the jobs that we choose. I know, of course, we love to choose the job because it pays the most or that kind of thing, or it gives the most, whatever the other kind of benefits it has. But just keep in mind sometimes the work can, of course, get to us too much. It can be too stressful. It can lead to burnout. It can lead to all types of things, different health issues and stuff like that. Like I said, we definitely have to be smarter about that, y'all, especially when it comes to the helping professions. I'm a social worker, been in the field 25 years, and yes, I have definitely experienced a lot of stress and burnout. I guess I put it that way. That's why I'm able to tell y'all this. But like I said, being a social worker, teacher, any kind of helping, some therapist, all those types of things. Like I said, even a parent, I guess I put it that way. Like I said, those things can definitely be taxing on you. And of course, like I said, it can cause that stress and can cause you to burn out without, of course, get seeking help. People tell you one thing when you go into an interview, tell you how good the job is, how good this is, how this is going to be, how that's going to be. But when you get into that job, you find out that it's some, not all the time, but sometimes, well, for me, a lot of times, you find out that that job wasn't what they told you in the interview or promised. I guess I put it that way. Sometimes it can be draining where you have to work more, all these extra hours. When I did work in the foster care system, of course, my regular, I think 8 to 5 or whatever the hours were, but sometimes, a lot of times, I had to go placing kids meaning to take them from one facility or foster home to another in the entire state of Missouri. Sometimes I was out driving 12, 1 o'clock in the morning trying to get these kids to Kansas City or to a placement down in Farmington or this kind of thing. Like I said, it can definitely be taxing and, like I said, just draining on your time as well, on your time mentally, physically, and like I said, emotionally too. Taking care of yourself is utmost important. Always take care of yourself. If it's getting to be too draining, too taxing on your body, mentally, physically, and emotionally, make sure that you take your time off and don't just sit there and just work through all this and don't take time off. I'm telling you this because I didn't work through, I didn't take all my time off I should have doing the job. I guess I put it that way. I was too busy. I was too much going on, this kind of thing. But I know we always have coworkers and supervisors and that kind of stuff. Now I know that. But like I said, I knew that. But I knew that back then too. But me being hard headed, thinking I can do all this stuff on my own, and I'm the big bad woman, the superwoman, and all this. Like I said, I definitely wore myself out too. Please do not follow those footsteps. Please learn how to take your time off that you're due, your sick and your vacation time at your jobs, y'all.